Hey, real quick, I didn't want to have to redo the whole other video because I forgot to mention, but just, I know I said you can publish it, but I wanted to kind of walk you through that process. So once you go back to your Dropbox, you see down at the bottom it still has the little I with the slash through it, so you'll just click it, make sure it's checked, you'll go up to the top, go to more actions, and then make visible to users. And it shouldn't have the little I anymore. Now they should be able to see it. All the student would have to go and do, let's just view as a student. All they would have to do as a student is go to assessments, go to Dropbox, and for you guys, the only one you would have is the this I believe. Okay, you wouldn't have any other ones, but that would be what they go to. They go to this I believe, and then all they need to do is go down to add a file. They can give you any comments if they need to, and then they would submit. And that's all you do. There was one other thing that looked like it came up when I was going through the essays. So this might be what Ms. Dryden was talking about. But if you look back at that Dropbox and you open up the this I believe, there was a little line or a tag that said something about want to evaluate submissions from your iPad, download the assessment grader. When I do that, it takes me to a link for Brightspace. So I'm not really sure what exactly this is. This may be something that we're going to have access to, because you do have to log in, sign up, and it is not free. You can start a free trial, so we may have access to this, but I will ask Ms. Dryden when she comes, and I will ask her to give us some instructions on how to do that. But other than that, I just wanted to kind of give you guys a little heads up. Thank y'all very much.